In this video, we're going to review blade change for the slice pen cutters, both the manual 10513 and the auto retract 10512. Today we're going to talk about the slice pen cutters, both the 10512 auto retract and 10513 manual retract. These products are ambidextrous by design, so there's no worries about left-handed use or right-handed use. The auto retract features an auto retract slider button, which is an added level of safety, so when you let go of that slider button, the blade automatically goes back into the housing for safety. We also feature a manual retract, which isn't quite as safe as the auto retract. We do always recommend to use the auto retract whenever possible. The manual retract, as the name suggests, the blade is either out or in, and you manually expose it or return it back to its original configuration. Both of these products could take our 10408 pointed tip blade and the 10404 rounded tip blade. By default, all of our products ship with the rounded tip blades for added safety, but we do offer the pointed tip blades for all of our products in case you need it for a certain application. So let's take a look at blade change for both the 10512 auto retract and the 10513 manual retract pen cutters. In order to change the blade on the 10512 pen cutter, you'll need to remove the cap. You'll see the cap has an alignment tab from the cap to the body. Simply rotate it counterclockwise and the alignment tabs are no longer aligned, and you can pull the cap off just like that. In order to get to the blade, you'll need to extend the slider button like this. You could either flip the blade to the other side or put an entirely new blade into the product. Remember, these are ambidextrous, so there's no configuration for left-handed or right-handed. When putting the blade back in, make sure it aligns with the tab inside the blade holder. Slide the button back and put the cap back on. There's an arrow on the cap that aligns with the alignment tab on the body. Make sure they line up when you put it in, and then rotate the top clockwise until the alignment tabs are in alignment. Now you're back in business. In order to change the blade on the manual retract, it's very similar. All you have to do is make sure the blade is not exposed, otherwise you won't be able to change it. In this case, slide the slider back because it's a manual. Turn the blade cover counterclockwise, allowing you to pull it out and expose the blade. You'll have to expose the blade further with the slider button, giving you access to the blade. You can either flip it to the other side or put a new blade in, but either way, make sure the blade tab lines up with the blade holder tab. Slide the slider button back, since it's manual. Put the cover back on, aligning the arrow from the cover with the tab on the handle. Rotate it clockwise, one click, and you're back in business. Thank you for watching this video. If you have ideas for new videos or if you want to comment about how you've used our tools, we'd love to hear from you. Please leave comments below or email us.